Reveal the secret.
The snack wrap will be back in 2025. Has a cult following. I get so many emails into my inbox about this product. It will be back in 2025.
A cult following for the snack wrap.
It does. It really does.
Okay, and it's coming back when?
I'm not going to tell you exactly when in 2025 for competitive reasons.
Okay, well, thank you for coming in this morning, Joe Erlinger. Robin?
I was voting for the McRib, the return of the McRib.
The McRib is back. Yeah, the McRib is back already.
Oh, it is? Not in mine.
Gotta get to McDonald's, Robin.
Okay, maybe not at my chain, but I'll check it out. Thank you, sir.